What's up sa inyo mga ka-G? For today's episode, nandito tayo sa Ximending dito sa may Taipei. Ngayong araw na to, ipupunta naman tayo sa isa sa mga pasyalan dito sa may Taipei. Punta tayo sa may Wulai Waterfalls. Sakay lang tayo ng Green Lane papunta ng Ximending. Punta tayo dyan sa Green Lane, Xinjiang. Yan tayo sasakay ng tren. Yung dulong stasyon yan, yung Xinjiang. Tapos doon tayo sasakay ulit ng bus naman papunta ng Wulai. Kaya samahan nyo ako sa magiging adventure natin dito sa may Taipei. At tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba ang pagsakay at papunta doon sa Wulai Waterfalls. Let's go!
A few moments later.
What's up mga ka-G? Touchdown Xinjiang Train Station. Dito na tayo sa last station ng ayan, Xinjiang Train Station. Ngayon sasakay tayo ng bus 849 papunta sa Wulai. Hanapin lang natin sakayan dito. Ayan. Okay mga ka-G, after nating bumaba sa Xinjiang Train Station, ito lang pala yung sakayan. Ayan, sa may baba lang nito. Ayan, 849. Yan, may makikita kayong dalawang bridge yan. Tapos ayun na tayo dito. Antay lang tayo ng 849, 30 minutes na biyahe. Okay mga ka-G, after almost 30 minutes na biyahe, nandito na tayo sa Wulai. Yun nga lang ang pangit ng dating natin kasi umuulan. Hindi ko alam kung may enjoy natin yung tour natin na to. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako at kung makakapag-tour pa tayo dito sa Wulai. Let's go! Okay mga G, nandito tayo sa may cart. Ayun. Ayun. Pakit tayo sa may Wulai Falls. 50 NT ang bawat isa. Ayun. Walang mga pasahero kasi hapon na tsaka umuulan. Pero ulan ng ulan. Enjoy natin yung pagpunta sa taas ng Wulai Waterfalls. Ayun. 10 minutes. 50 NT ang bayad. Let's go.
A few inches later.
Okay, touchdown Wulai Waterfalls. Ayan o. Ayan yung dinadayo nila rito na waterfalls. Saan natin? May mga bilihan din pa pala rito. Dito parang hindi umulan Sarado. Sarado. No? Bakit para sa pinakataas? Malak. Okay, touchdown Wulay Waterfalls. Hindi na tayo makakapag-activities. Ayan. Pakikita ko na lang sa inyo yung falls. Tingnan natin doon. Sa malapit. Ayan yung falls ng Wulay Waterfalls. Hindi na tayo makakapag-activities kasi nga umuulan. Yung ilalim niya. Lakas ng ulan. Payong kayo.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.